guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the Boxycharm unboxing. This is the Boxy Luxe Box for December. It is actually Christmas Day that I am filming this, so Merry Christmas. Hopefully the cars that go by my house aren't too crazy today because it is Christmas Day and people should be at home. But my window is open, so if you guys do hear some noise, that is just my window because it is very warm in here. So my earrings that I'm wearing right now are from the brand Love Kills Boutique. These are fake plugs, so they are earrings that go into my ear because my ears aren't stretched. So if you guys are looking for some awesome little earrings that you can get, you can go onto Love Kills Boutique. I'll link it down below for you guys, and you guys can go check out their earrings because they have some really cute handmade earrings and I'm in love with them. So if you guys are also interested, I do have a haul video up, a mini haul video for indie brands, and I talked about these earrings in it, so I'll link that up in the eye for you guys. But let's just jump on into this Boxy Luxe unboxing for December and Christmas time. Alright, so this is what this month's box looks like. So it looks like this so far. So it did come with memory foam this time, and it did come with a card, and this season is bubbles and glitz. So that is really awesome. So we got a bunch of stuff and I'm very excited for this box. So because I live in Canada, this box is the Boxy Luxe Box and it retails for about $80. So it's very expensive, and I'm hoping that I like it because I've been very disappointed with Boxycharm the last couple of months. So I'm hoping that this box is going to redeem it for them, or I am unfortunately going to cancel. So the first thing I see is something that is bubble wrap. So it looks like this, and I'm very excited. Ooh, it's a Hip Dop palette. So I don't actually know much about this brand, so I'm very excited to see what this palette looks like and see if I like it. But this is what the packaging looks like so far. It is really cute, and I'm very excited to see if the packaging matches the inside. So this is a vegan, paraben-free, talc-free, mineral oil-free, and it is cruelty-free. And it lasts 12 months, but I don't really pay attention to expiry dates on things because expiry dates are a lie. That's just my opinion. So, oh my god, this is such a gorgeous palette. Wow, I'm very excited. So this is what the palette looks like. This is a very me palette. It's very much up my alley. It's very gorgeous. It has some very pretty blues in it. This teal right here, I'm gonna swatch it, is calling my name. Oh my god, let's just swatch some of the shimmers. They are so pretty. Wow. This palette alone right here is definitely worth it for this box because holy crap, look at those colors. That is so gorgeous. I'm very excited for this palette. I am obsessed with those colors. If I just swatch them, oh my god, look at how those shimmers perform. Oh my god. Oh my god, that blue. I need to do a look with this palette. Oh my god, I'm going to play with this today because I am staying home because it's Christmas Day, and my roommate and my boyfriend are actually playing video games right now. I'm not doing anything. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys and do some unboxings because it's kind of like Christmas on my channel right now. And now I am so excited for this palette. Holy crap, that is gorgeous. So I don't know much about this brand, but let's read what it says in the card. So this is the Hip Dot palette. So this is the pressed eyeshadow palette, retails for $30, so very inexpensive, so that is amazing. So unleash your inner goddess through an alluring blues and gleaming golds of Centenote. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, I'll post it on the screen here. Homage of the sacred underground pools of Mexico. In this hyper-pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. I am obsessed. I am fucking obsessed with this. Holy crap. So far, I'm very impressed, so I cannot wait to play with this palette. If you guys are unfamiliar with my channel, I do have a palette that is very similar to this. It is the Ace Beauté Oceanic palette, and it has very similar shades to it. I think the Oceanic palette doesn't have these two mattes here, like these kind of neutrals, but it is a very similar palette to this, and I'm very excited to now have another palette from a different brand that I can play with and hopefully create amazing looks with. So I'm just gonna quickly wipe this off, or I'm gonna get these shimmers all over my Christmas sweater. So the next thing I see is Luxie. So this is a Luxie brush set, and as you guys know, if you are a frequent watcher of my channel, I use Luxie brushes for everything. Literally this entire cup, besides maybe a few odds and ends here, are Luxie brushes. I absolutely love their brushes, and I'm very excited to get another brush set from Boxycharm from them. So this is what the little package looks like. It looks like a little wallet, and when you open it up, oh my god, those are so pretty. Wow, these brushes are gorgeous. Oh my god, I am obsessed. Holy crap. I love Luxie brushes, and this is so gorgeous. I am obsessed with the gold packaging, and these are just so pretty. And I know Luxie brushes are great quality already, and they feel great. They're very soft. They blend really well. So this is the Luxie Glitter and Gold brush set, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlight, and blending. This set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. This fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch. Retails for $85 USD. Wow. So Luxie brushes are very expensive for my personal opinion, and they're very hard to get in Canada, so to ship them, to pay USD prices, to pay the shipping, to pay the duties and all of that, it's very expensive. So I'm very excited to always get them in Boxycharm boxes. So if you guys are not a subscriber of Boxycharm, I highly recommend subscribing just for the Luxie brushes alone, because you get so many amazing brushes, especially if you don't live in the United States, and you don't have to pay duties. So that is my favorite part of Boxycharm, basically. So the next thing I see is, oh my god, we got another palette. Wow, okay, so they gave us kind of memory foam style material, and I'm very excited for that because I was a little bit annoyed of Boxycharm constantly sending us paper material because it tends to not be the most secure. So I'm very excited that they at least wrapped the palettes in this memory foam. So this is the iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette, an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvet powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing, and to add natural looking warmth and definition, blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and highlight shades for a flattering candlelight radiance, and it retails for $55 USD. So this is what the palette looks like. Okay, so stating that it is a palette that complements all skin tones probably isn't very true, just because this looks like more of a fair palette. Definitely hope that they would have another palette that featuring deeper skin tones, because this doesn't look like something that would work for absolutely everybody's skin tones. So I guess this would be the highlight shade. That's really pretty, but that's not really a highlight shade that I would go for. I go for more of a white highlight. I like more of the iridescent highlights. So as you can see, here is the iconic London highlight, and this is the one that I usually go for. This palette isn't really a palette that I probably would use too much of. The blushes are nice, but I'm not really that big of a fan of blushes. So I would say that this palette isn't really my favorite. I probably could have done without getting it in this box, but again, that's what subscription boxes are for. You get a little bit of everything, and that's just not really a palette that I'm that excited for. So the next thing I see is the Threesome Get It Hot Mess with Rocky's Black, Blue, and Green Glitter Gel Eye Pens. Okay, so this is Get It in a Hot Mess with Rockin's Maxi Glitter Pen Threesome. Choose from one of 3 intense shades: Viridian Green, Midnight Blue, or Beatnik Black. Blend all around the eye to create a drama and sparkling dance floor magic. And it retails for $40. So I'm very excited to see what these look like. Wow, okay, these are really pretty. So they kind of remind me of the NYX Jumbo pencils. So those pencils look like this, if you are unfamiliar, and this is the white one that I always use in my waterline. So it kind of reminds me of that. So we have a blue one, a black one, and a green one. This forest green one is really pretty. I'm very excited to try it out and see what it is like. And this blue one is very pretty as well. And then of course I love getting black eyeliner. So I'm very excited to play with those and see if they work. So that retails for $40, and that's pretty awesome. So I've been on the hunt for the ColourPop eyeliner set, the rainbow one, and I haven't been able to find it, and it's been out of stock for a very long time, and now I'm excited because now I have 2 eyeliners that are colorful and a black eyeliner that I can play around with. So that is really exciting. So the next thing I see is the Sunday Riley all-in-one lactic acid treatment. So it looks like this. So this is the Good Genes. So this is a deeply exfoliates the dull surfaces of skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. Visibly brightens the appearance of dark spots and discoloration, instantly plumps the look of fine lines and wrinkles in 3 minutes. So I'm very excited to try this. I've only ever tried one product from the brand Sunday Riley, and it was a water cream, and it broke me out really badly. So I'm very excited to see if their other products might work for my skin. But the last water cream that I did try, I ended up not doing a full review on just because it broke me out so badly that I just stopped using it. So I'm very excited to try this out and see if I like it. So this is the multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment, rapidly exfoliates and boosts natural youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Its high potency formula exfoliates dull, pore clogging dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. With skin brightening licorice, this super concentrated treatment also visually reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration caused by exposure to the sun for naturally brighter, even toned skin, and it retails for $85. That is very expensive, so I'm very excited to try it out and see if I like it. So the next thing I see is an intensive rendesifying glycol acid day moisturizer. So I thought that I had already gotten this one, so I went and checked my box, and I actually have an 8-hour radiance renewal sleep mask. So I'm very excited to try this one out. Now, I have not actually tried this product. We got this product in a Boxycharm a couple of months ago, and I have not tried it yet. So now I have another product from the same brand that I may be able to try. The only thing that I'm not really that big of a fan of is their products look identical to each other. The only difference is you actually have to read them, which is fine, but I would like their product, like their packaging, to be a little bit different. If you're like me and you fail to read things, you're not grabbing the wrong product. So this is the 8-hour mask that I already had, and now this is an intensive rendesifying glycol acid day moisturizer. The ideal remedy against time. This day moisturizer aims to offer a complete response to signs of skin slacking. A revolutionary formula with rich textures combines glycol acid and mica to correct the effects of epidermal aging and improve skin density, lumosity, and volume. And this retails for $123. $123 for a moisturizer? Whoa, okay, that's ridiculous. So I don't like the price point on that. I think that is a little bit ridiculous. I think that is very expensive. I have a Avant product that I already have that is probably just as expensive that I have not used, so I didn't really need another product from this brand. I'm excited to try it to see if I like it, but I don't like getting products from subscription boxes like this that are that expensive, because if I do end up liking it, I can't afford to repurchase it. So that's ridiculous. That is way too expensive. So the next thing I see is from the brand Reza Be Obsessed, Love My Leave-In, for all hair types. So this is the Salon Series Gold Infused Shield First Line of Defense, helps protect luxuriously. So this is a leave-in conditioner. So formulated with gold infused shield, this leave-in features 7 mystic ingredients: champagne for high shine, crushed diamonds for brilliance, rose of Jericho to nourish, pea protein for strength, king coconut oil to fortify, black truffle oil to moisturize, and strawberry seed extract as an antioxidant. Retails for $22, so I was expecting something that has crushed diamonds in it to be a little bit more expensive. But this is really awesome. So this is 120 milliliters, it's 4 fluid ounces, and it's for $22, and it is a leave-in conditioner. So as you guys know, I'm always on the hunt for looking for things that are going to help moisturize my hair, just because I have chemically processed hair. I dye my hair, I bleach my hair, I do all of the horrible bad things to my hair that end up making my hair break. So I'm very excited to try this out and see if I like it. So there is one thing left in the box, and I'm not that excited for it, to be honest. So this is the Butte Teeth Whitening Kit. So usually I am very excited for teeth whitening things. I do like getting white teething things in subscription boxes like this, but I ordered a thing very similar to this off of Amazon, and it didn't work. And it was a pain in the ass, and it is the exact same thing, just a different brand. I think it was called My Smile. You got a syringe full of the teeth whitening thing, and then you put it onto the device and you put it into your mouth and you turn it on, and it's a light and it's supposed to whiten your teeth. I did it for a week. I had enough syringes to do it for a week, and it did nothing. It did fucking nothing. My teeth were the exact same as when I started to when I finished, and all I had to show for it was nothing. So I'm not that excited to try this. They only give you 1 syringe, and the one off of Amazon, they gave you, I think it was like 5. So you had a lot more product off of the one off of Amazon. And this retails for $89, and you only get 1 syringe. You can go on Amazon and get a similar device from a different brand with like a bunch more syringes for like $40. So I'm very interested to try this out and see if it works, just because a higher price point may mean that their formula might be better and my teeth might get whiter just from the 1 or 2 uses I get out of this. But the $40 one off of Amazon that I tried, I got like 6 syringes or 4 syringes, something like that, and it didn't fucking work. So I'm interested, but I don't have high hopes. So this is Your Butte OG Smile Kit, whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes. From binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe, Butte's mission is to accompany you in the clouds, alleviating your self-care routine while maintaining angel status, and it retails for $89. I think that is a little bit expensive. So it says it gives you 1 to 2 shades lighter in each treatment, 15-minute sessions, no sensitivity. So I don't really know how much you're really gonna get out of this 1 tube of teeth whitening stuff, because the last time that I did this, I think it was like 2 or 3 times you used this tube, it would be finished, and then you had like 3 or 4 more and you did it for a week straight. So you only get 1 syringe of it, and I think that's a little bit expensive for what it is. $89 for a teeth whitening thing where you only get 1 syringe of the product is very expensive because there is competitors on the market that give you a lot more syringes. But I'm excited to see if it actually works, and maybe the higher price point will mean that the device actually works versus the cheaper ones. But this was everything that was in this Boxy Luxe box. So I'm pretty impressed with it this month. I do think that they sent us some items that are very expensive. So we got a few items here that were $85, $89, $123, very expensive products. So I do think that this month's box was worth it. I'm not going to cancel. We will see if January is impressive or not, and if January sucks, then maybe I'll cancel. But I'm just going to quickly total this up and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So the total of this month's box was $529, and I only paid about $80. So that is really great. This was a really amazing Boxy Luxe box. This was a really great box for December. I am extremely excited to play with the Hip Dot palette. This palette is really gorgeous. I'm very excited for the brushes, and everything else was really awesome as well. These eyeliners are really pretty, and honestly, all around this box was really great. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. This video will probably go up after Christmas, so I hope you guys all had a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys all had a happy holidays, however you guys spend the holidays. I hope you guys had a lovely day, a lovely Christmas Eve, lovely Christmas Day. Happy Christmas, happy holidays. I hope you guys had a very lovely Christmas. I hope you guys stayed safe and you guys just had a great holiday season. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!